Hello everyone, my name is Dr Nicola Smith and I'm a GP and Clinical Chair of Bedfordshire, Luton and Milton Keynes Clinical Commissioning Groups. I wanted to share with you some of the topics we discussed at our most recent joint governing body meeting that I think will be of interest to you as a local resident. We now hold our meetings virtually, but members of the public are invited to observe and also to submit their questions in advance. The first topic to be covered, not surprisingly, was COVID, and talking about the current picture in our local area, given the surge of cases nationally. We were assured that the CCG was taking the appropriate steps to support our system to make sure that we were prepared to cope with the increase in the number of cases during the winter period. This includes making sure we have a high uptake of flu vaccination in our vulnerable groups. As you may be aware, next year our 3 CCGs are joining forces to become one. The governing body approved a number of documents that we must submit to make this happen. Thank you to those of you who responded to our patient survey. The full results will be published on the website. Can I assure you that we have considered every comment, whether you are for or against the merger. We will address your concerns and continue to keep you informed. Every meeting we try to highlight a patient story. This time it was the turn of Dr Edward Civils, who told us about a poorly baby and how that baby was managed during the COVID pandemic. This illustrated how our services work closely together and also how general practice remains open during the pandemic, although most of our consultations will be virtual. We do see patients face to face when it is clinically indicated. If you would like to keep up to date with our governing body meetings, all the papers are uploaded onto our website and the meeting recordings can be found on YouTube. Thank you very much for listening.